I'm here with our new innovation, our J5500K Quick Coupling System for our gun. This particular customer has optioned it this way. So I'm just going to demonstrate some of the different accessories and the versatility and how quickly we can swap from one accessory to another. So I'm going to start the unit. This is our Senator G2 unit. This features our centralized control where all of our operator controls are on one side of the unit. This is featuring the new Honda IGX 700 fuel-injected motor that also features auto speed technology, our stainless steel exoskeleton for overall weather protection, a longer life, and also our featured Italian enhanced JW pump, nickel head amongst other innovations there. I'm now going to start the unit and we'll demonstrate. First, our high pressure twin lance with variable pressure. Now, our turbo lance. There's the auto speed on the unit. This is our turbo lance for extra aggressive stains. Now our flat surface cleaner. And as you can see, I'm doing this while the unit is still on, still running, and I can change my accessory, say up to 100 meters away if I have 100 meters of hose. Now our stabiliser nozzle. Our stabiliser nozzle, which actually mixes the air and the water with a Venturi process, allowing us to shoot over 7 meters. I'll demonstrate. So a fantastic nozzle there to be able to reach eaves and higher places without actually having a telescoping wand. Now I'll demonstrate. This particular customer has optioned it with a foam, sanitizing and disinfection accessory. This is our dual bypass chemical injector. So I'll set that to chemical 1. Okay. Where it draws from our chemical drum holders, I'm going to snap on the foaming accessory head, heavy duty stainless steel construction, where we'll apply foam. Now, we'll also put on our fogging head. So again, with our J5500K Quick Coupling System on, change our chemical to chemical injection number 2, where we'll use our fogging head. Very handy accessory for any on-site job. enhancing cleaning ability.